everyone, good evening, how are you all? So today we are on day 28 of our 45 days compost challenge, and today my work is to fill this bin with the remaining, as in it's nearly full, so I just put in all the wet waste. Okay, and apart from that I have lot of pulpy matter here, like mango, the rotten mangoes, or other fruits and all, mushrooms and all. So it's pretty pulpy, so I'll just let it sun dry for maybe 1 or 2 days, and then I'll put it in the compost bin. And also at the same time I'll segregate the seeds out of the fruits, like the mango seeds and stuff, and then I'll compost it. Okay, now this is half filled. I am keeping space here so that I can keep on adding brown matter regularly whenever it's required, whenever there's a lot of moisture content. So let me just first mark here plus day 28, and since I'm closing this bin, let me also mark the end date of this compost bin, that is 45 days from today will be 30th of June. Okay. At the same time we'll just add a layer of brown matter, that is dried leaves, in this. I'll give it a mix. Since I have been adding sun-dried wet waste in this bin, I'm not adding more of brown matter. If your waste is wet when you have been putting it in the bin, make sure that you add lot of brown matter to it, so that your compost doesn't become watery, it doesn't stink, and there are no maggots or other nuisance which get created. I mean, there is a chance. We have encountered that and we don't want that again. Apart from this, I have my earlier 2 bins. So I'll just check for the moisture levels in these. Check if there is any maggots problem or no. No, it it's pretty safe, there's no problem. And also the moisture content looks optimum. You can see here, there's no watery substance on this ladle. So it is moist, but it is not wet. Okay. So I'll close this one. And let me see this. Also dry enough. So right, this is also done. You can see there's moisture here. This is because of the condensation process. I just threw away little moisture whatever had come here. So just keep a check on your compost bins. That's what I just wanted to tell. So that's it for today, and let me know how's your progress going on. We have just 17 days more left now for this challenge to get over, and I just hope that at least few of you have started doing the composting, and now we are expecting monsoons very soon. So let us also start sowing the seeds, whatever we have collected during the waste segregation that we keep doing, so that at least we can, play a small role, play a small part in making our Mother Earth greener and more beautiful. If you don't have place, you have storage issues to start composting, just dig up a pit in your backyard or in your society, wherever you find soil. Just dump all your kitchen waste there, layer it up back with the soil and sow the seeds in there, and just keep watering 1 or 2 days, just alternate days you can keep watering, or just you can leave it as it is. Let nature take its call and let the plants grow. Yeah, at least that much we can do. So I just hope that you guys share what all initiatives you guys have been taking in the group, and motivate others and me too. Yeah, okay then, see you guys, bye, love you all, happy T2T.